We are showing you this house and lot for sale located here inside the secured subdivision in Angeles City, Pampanga. This is near Clark and Friendship. Let's check it out. Hi, my name is Howie, your trusted real estate agent from Live Realty, and welcome to another Howie TV house tour. Let's go. This property has a lot area of 200 square meters, floor area of 290 square meters, 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, private swimming pool, shower and toilet, modern kitchen, daily kitchen, staff quarters, and 2 carport. Priced at 24.5 million pesos. Contact us for viewing. Very nice curb appeal ng house. So nung pagdaan namin dito, napatingin talaga ako. We have our 2 carport right here, pedestrian gate, and some greenery on this side. I also like the way that they used some black detailing dito sa sides natin. Very nice. So let's go through this pedestrian gate. So we step up, 1, 2, 3 steps up going to the front door. And to my right is your 2-car carport, which is very high ceiling and can fit even big vans. Okay? And this walkway sa ating garden dito, maganda rin dito kasi ang ganda ng choice nila of plants. Tingnan nyo, may variety ng plants sa gilid. And that way is going to the pool area. Okay? So let's enter through the front door. Okay, let me just take this off. We have this big wooden door. And upon entry, makikita natin agad yung ating dual height ceiling dito sa ating entrance. Okay, by the way, point out ko lang din na meron tayong electronic lock dito. Okay, we have this corner window na nagbibigay ng natural light sa ating bahay. We have this very nice chandelier. Okay, this area right here is your living area. Okay, so I think your couches will go right here. Depends on you. We have our console right here, storage underneath, television, and this very nice fluted and parang mixture siya ng fluted panel. We have this marble design backdrop over here. And also, I like the lighting dito sa ating living area. So, go straight here. We have our dining area under this parang celestial, parang ano siya, solar system na mga pailaw. Cove lighting, table will go right here. Island counter over here sa ating kitchen. Very nice finish din na napaka-neat niya. Also, this native pendant lights na napakaganda. Okay. Under the counter, we have our drawers and storage underneath. Behind me is a very nice setup. Ang ganda ng pagka-modular niya. We have this space for your microwave, more storage, sink, range hood, 2-door refrigerator right here, and a lot of storage underneath. Now, if we go this way, we have our first toilet and bath. So, ang bango. Meron tayong sink at yung edge-shaped toilet natin and our partially enclosed shower with rainfall shower head and yung modern type na push button yung shower natin, shampoo niche. And this bathroom is very spacious. Okay? Going right, we have our first door. For the first bedroom, ito yung bedroom sa ground floor. This window overlooks the street area and the carport. Bed goes right here. We have outlet over here. Built-in cabinetry. Meron tayo dito. And I like the way na flush yung kanyang handles. Diba? We have a console over here. Air conditioning is installed. Okay, let's take one more look sa ating kitchen, sa ating dining, and our living area. Okay, now, this sliding door opens up to your side lanai. The side lanai, pwede dito yung mga, kunyari meron kayong mga guest, overflow dito yung mga guest natin. We have this very nice styling sa flooring natin. And pag tumuloy ka pa dito, we have our outdoor kitchen in front of our beautiful swimming pool. Ang ganda guys, no? Meron pa tayong water feature over there. Okay, isa-isahin natin. Okay, we have this outdoor kitchen setup, range hood, storage, modern sink na push button, plus this area right here, pwedeng taguan ng mga cleaning materials or pwede siya maging pantry din. It's up to you. Okay? We have this counter over here na ito I would say ideal to lagyan ng mga bar stools kasi feeling ko yun ang invention dito, bar stools para pag may guest ka, di ba, you serve them here, relaxing by the pool. Tapos, that door on the right is your pump room and we have a door right here for your shower. Pakita natin. Shower, and this room is your staff room. Okay, may sarili rin silang toilet and bath over there. Okay? Yan, pakita rin natin yung shower area plus yung toilet dito. Diba? Very accessible. Pag may guest ka sa pool, they can use this para hindi na magbabasa sa loob. Okay? And also, I'd like to point out the mixture of the black color at yung wood. Diba? Medyo industrial in a way, but it works, no? Ang ganda. And the outdoor kitchen from this angle. Okay, now, let us go inside once again, going to the second floor. Okay, from the front door, we turn right. Meron tayong wooden steps dito, wooden handles, tempered glass na support. Tapos yung ating stairs are lighted. Walang mid-landing, straight agad sa ating second floor landing. Dito, meron tayong area. If you want to use it for a family area, di ba, a study, or you can place a console right here, di ba? Big windows. Tapos from here, makita ulit natin yung ating napakagandang chandelier. Okay? Now, first bedroom. Let's check it out. Ample amount of space. Your bed will go right here. We have our switches and our outlets on both sides. Shelves and cabinets installed. We have a console here for your vanity or your entertainment. Air conditioning, plus we have a view of the pool from this room. Okay? Now, next room. Oh, before that, it has its own bathroom. We have this large sink, toilet, and partially enclosed shower with shampoo niche, ventilation window, plus yung rainfall shower head. Really nice. And the next room, right across. Wow. So bright. We have this space. Your bed will go right here. Outlets on both sides. Big the sliding door that has an access. Makikita nyo naman po sa inyong front balcony. Ayan, di ba? Imagine, relaxing dito. May console dito for entertainment. Panels and air conditioning is installed. On this side, we have a study or a vanity and a sliding door for your cabinet. Plus, it has its own toilet and bath that is spacious, sink, toilet, and partially enclosed shower. Now, guys, let's go to the master bedroom. Really spacious master bedroom. We have this space for your bed, even king size bed. Bed can fit right here, outlets and switches on both sides, pendant lights on both sides, and this very nice ribbon type light fixture, plus your cove lighting over here. Big windows that has a view of your pool. And console for a study, vanity, or an entertainment. Plus may mga storage siya underneath. Then we have this barn door right here going to the walk-in. So we have an abundant amount of cabinetry. We have these shelves. We have racks right here. And also the other side, more racks. Plus your master toilet and bath that has your big sink, your egg-shaped toilet, and your partially enclosed shower with your rainfall shower head and shampoo niche. Plus guys, this is probably my favorite in all houses na may ganito, is the ledge or bench pag naliligo. Yun na naman yung function niya, di ba? Para so you can clean yourself better or just relax maybe. So now, let's do the recap. This property has a lot area of 200 square meters, floor area of 290 square meters, 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, private swimming pool, shower and toilet, modern kitchen, daily kitchen, staff quarters, and 2 carport. Priced at 24.5 million pesos. Contact us for viewing. Thank you so much for watching. We appreciate every like, share, and subscribe. Once again, my name is Howie, your trusted real estate agent from Live Realty. Together with our director, Ken, we hope to help you find your next property. Until next time, God bless. Bye.